Dapat pa. Jauhkan.
Okay.
Yeah.
Richard, you want to pick the first one?
Don't look.
Let's put that back in its races. Esteban. Back to.
Okay, back to you, Don.
This one. This one. What you got there? John McAllister.
Oh,
Give it to Lars. Or...
same place. 13.
Who's? Take one.
Oh, sorry.
That's okay.
Yeah. There you go.
Joe Parrott.
That's the guy who's not here, is it?
Nice, yeah.
Joe Parrott.
Number 4.
Last. Take one. Don't cheat.
Tell me something good. Richard. Yeah. Yeah.
Richard Robinson. Not.
Number 11.
11. Thank you, Joe.
Another one.
Brandon Folk.
Take one, please. Reese.
Pressure's on. Pressure's on.
Yeah, just give it.
I'm going to go 24. No, 23. 23. Change me. 23. Back it up, isn't it? 23. Is that one? Is that one?
Yeah, one.
Look at that Ben McAllister. There you go, boy. 18. 14.
Last. What?
Richard.
Richard Roberts. Richard Roberts.
You really want top on? Huh? Alright. Yeah, 8.
8?
Yeah.
Yeah, one.
Chris King.
Five. Right. Take one.
That was a wall.
Harry West. 21.
Joe Coyne, is that?
Yeah. Joe Coyne. Please draw one. Take one, please.
Joe, can you pick my name? Thanks.
Yeah. George Bryan.
George Bryan. Oh.
I'll have 22.
Oh, that's me.
Hey.
Alright. I take bag 1. Oh yeah. What's that?
Jake, Ryan.
Oh, wow, 16.
16. Take 1, please.
Run away from the bag. I'll get it. Lads, we have to let them go when they're ready.
Laszlo.
Back to you, please.
Last.
George,
Have 24.
24.
Oh, don't give me. There's not many left.
Lee.
Lee?
Yep.
Logan?
7.
Don't give me, give it to last. No, there's not many now. Scott Beasley?
Yeah, I'll take 17.
17.
17. Oh no, it's only 3.
Darren.
Darren Bryan?
20. Please. 20.
Got a lot of pegs for tomorrow.
Tommy still.
Thomas? Last.
So just go through a couple of bits. I'm sure obviously you've all read the rules already. Just the main ones for us. Just make sure you're on barbless, no leaders, no maggots, and if you're going to fish a zig rod, it's 1 per angler. Apart from that, the rest of the rules are pretty self-explanatory. They're all on the website if any of you need to look or anything. But yeah, apart from that, good luck and just make sure your bivvies are pegged right down for tomorrow, I'd say.
They gone up in price. 2 foot long.
Everybody moved to their peg, and it didn't take long for Istvan on peg 2 to hook a very special carp. While Istvan was playing with his fish, I also had a bite. At first, we thought that he picked up my line because the fish swam towards my swim. So I ran to my rod and held onto until Istvan told me that he didn't pick up my line. By that time, the fish had already gotten away. Look at that, that's a good fish. Come on, land it. Yes, boy! Come on, man. Fish of this little social, and That fish is quite big. He's like mid-40. We're gonna have a look. It's just in a sling. Let's bring it out. Let's check it. And I think it's a BB for him. Ready?
So me to do it?
you're
You've
not
got to have a
No,
bucket.
no.
You've got to have a bucket.
Yeah, end of the
Not
session,
now.
he said.
I don't have any. I got it.
Either now or at the end.
In
At
the
the
end,
end,
he will
at
get
the
it.
end.
Everyone who has PBs, we line them
At
up
the
and
end
we'll...
it's fine, but not
Yeah.
now.
Okay.
I was not planning to catch PB, okay?
Well, you got it anyway.
Fair play, bud. Beautiful fish.
Can you have some?
Yeah.
Just gonna put some water in.
Oh, waar är det? Jag kommer fullfölja lite, jo.
Whenever you're ready. The camera is rolling. All right. £45. I hope you're happy.
I'm happy. I'm very happy.
He looks pretty happy.
Yeah.
I was waiting for this for years and years.
He was a little bit
Catch a
shaky.
bit.
You want to do another side?
Yeah. To catch a PB.
He was a little bit shaky.
I can imagine.
Oh,
No worries.
I can imagine. That's a fish for a lifetime.
ah, I'm so happy.
Can you hold for a second?
That's a fish for a lifetime. Well, UK.
Ready?
Stuff.
One sec. Ready, just the fish is stands.
He's almost like a true
Tail a
dog.
little bit up. Tail up. Yeah, nice. Smile.
True tone, isn't it?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Quite a distinctive fish. It's
I want
got,
to do with my one.
you see the light and then dark.
Look at this. Well done. You're gonna get the bucket, don't worry. Good job.
Oh, okay, I can go home.
Yeah,
I'm done.
Reel in, go to sleep and let us come here with the fish.
I'm sure it's fine.
They are the
Which way are you gonna go?
It's a two-tone, look.
Yeah, two.
Yeah.
Good morning. Unfortunately, that was a quiet night for everybody. Not sure why. I think on peg 20 just landed one earlier this morning, like half an hour ago or something. But other than that, nobody posted in a group that they had anything or lost anything. So it was a quiet night for everybody. Still in early, we are really early, 6 o'clock. It can happen, the early morning bite. But, you would have think that out of 22 angler, that somebody will catch something at night. But nothing happened. It was very quiet. Big wind, same as yesterday. 40 miles per hour wind. But if it's gonna be same weather like yesterday, that's gonna be a little bit difficult to cast. Luckily for me, my neighbor Istvan, he let me to borrow his bait boat, so we took out my rods with the bait boat. Yeah, so I was lucky boy. But at the moment, it's not too bad. Not too windy. Coffee on a stove. Waiting for the early morning bite. See you in a bit. Unfortunately, we didn't have much luck with the early morning fish. So Laszlo, Richard and I had to reel in our rods a little bit earlier to get ready for the casting game on Saturday lunchtime. Before the event, we all got to choose from 3 tasty food options: burger, pizza or kebab. While we waiting for the food, we had a fun little casting game. If you would like to join our social events, please follow our Carp Buddies social media page on Facebook and Instagram. Alternatively, you can also contact me through my social media accounts at Levis Carp Fishing. You can find the link in the description below. There were many people close to cast on a mat, but in the end, no one was able to do it sadly. So the cast-off prize stayed with us for a little bit longer. And finally, the food arrived, which was more than welcomed by everyone. Laszlo started sorting out the food for everyone according to the list to make sure everyone got what they ordered. Look at this. Oh, tasty, really tasty. Yum yum. As you can see, the wind was not only terrible for casting, but also for the bait boat. After the food, I decided I was gonna take a walk around the lake to have a little chat with a few fellow anglers. And my first stop was Jolt. He managed to catch one, but not the target species. Come on. Little pose for the camera. Yeah. This is horrible. And we stood there, wondering when the wind would stop and when we would be able to cast our rods out. It's brave enough to cast the rods in this wind. dam wraps out, little yellow pop-up on all 3 rods. That's how we caught the fish, 2 fish. I will put up pictures in a video, but this weather is horrible. It is horrible. Harry broke his PB, so he will get the bucket end of the match. Well done, Harry. Great angling.
So I was fishing in peg 22, didn't really see nothing, so I see him showing in 19, so I just moved down and basically just flicked some singles out to show him fish. And yeah, I had a 28 and a 23 earlier today, so I've decided to move down and then hopefully catch a few more tonight, hopefully.
George also broke his PB, which means bucket of water for you too.
Thank you. I'm in peg number 20. Woke up this morning about 5:45. Had a take on my left-hand rod, had a 32, and then a couple of hours later had a 22. Fish have been showing down this end, been pushed down by the wind all day. It's just a little bit hard trying to get the rods out to them. But yeah, fingers crossed, hopefully it'll be a good night. Hook bait, singles, pop-ups, yellow.
And you? How about you?
I was just using Essential Cell 15mm pop-ups, singles just over the top basically. So yeah, good.
Darren also broke his PB. That means one thing, bucket of water. All right.
Oh.
I'm just gonna hold it. Yeah.
You're gonna hold it?
Yeah.
Which one is this one? 18.
Alright, so we are here in peg 18.
Yeah, haven't caught anything, but there's plenty of shows right out in front. Probably a little bit too far for me to get to at the moment without a boat.
Yeah, look at this wind. It's horrible.
But no, it's good. It's good fishery. So we've seen loads today and yesterday. So my mate Scott there, he's like he was going to put one out on my spot when I didn't have any rods in the water. So, but no, there's another one just shown now. So and again, sort of like this corner where the wind's blowing in, I suppose it's they're all starting to show down this end a bit.
Yeah, definitely this wind.
Yeah, I know there's a big bit of weed running across as well. Probably at about 19, 20 wraps, which is quite a thick weed. So I'm just sort of this side of it.
Front of the weed.
Yeah, just front of it. Yeah. Yeah, so I'm just going sort of like at the moment I'm sort of like 16, 17 wraps.
Day fishing.
Yeah, no one.
10,
oh, would I really?
Yeah. That's all they can go out.
But that's yeah. The wind is just so you're casting that way and it's ending up.
Exactly. Yeah.
You never know where it's going to land anyway. So, but no, it's definitely a possibility still of catching. So I'm not giving up hope just yet.
Yeah, nobody. We need to catch one. It would be nice if everybody would catch one.
Yeah,
least,
yeah.
But, you know, it's not up to us.
No, of course not. It is what it is, isn't it? So you can only do what you can do, can't you? Spotting's quite hard getting the spots out there.
And you cast over there and you will land over there.
Exactly,
that's how you have
you're
to do
blowing your line. It's just all over the place.
Oh, that was one left.
Just there. Yeah, that's what I mean. There's absolutely loads of them. Absolutely loads. So, and again, I've tried bright baits.
Yeah,
match the
seems like the yellow working.
Yeah, I've had some on yellow. So I had last night. I dropped back at about 11:30 last night. That was on a pink.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So
I had nothing on a pink.
But yeah, so no, just good to say. I think I've got solid bag on the left. Middle one's on a bug wafter. And the right hand one, if I remember right, is on a yellow pop-up. So
set up. Drinking beer. Just doing some footage, walking around asking people. You had some, you had few, yeah? Okay, don't tell us your secret, I will record it. We arrived at pack 16, where Jake was fishing, but he was a little bit camera shy, and I respect that, so I will do the talking instead of him. Jake and Laszlo fished next to each other. Unfortunately, the waves were too large, and the wind was terrible for casting, so Laszlo assisted Jake in taking his hook baits out to the spot. The fish were showing just behind the island. With a little help, they managed to take out the rods even in these terrible weather conditions. Jake caught 4 fish during his session, including the smallest one on this weekend. Here are a few pictures of his catches. Well done, Jake. The wind a little bit died off earlier, so I made my way back to my bivvy because I want to cast the rods out as fast as possible while it's not that windy. So sorry about if I couldn't get to you in your swim. But I have to get the rods out to get some monsters because the wind died off a little bit. So it's the perfect time to get the rods out. Let's do that. Okay guys, so rods are ready to go out. It's really sunny now. I'm gonna use 3 different hook bait. So one of them is a good old hinge stiff. Previously I caught a fish on this here. Hopefully it's gonna work out again with a pink pop-up. Another one is a 18mm wafter on an IQD rig. And the last one, it's a yellow pop-up on a Ronnie rig. Maybe it's in, yeah, it is yellow. Yeah, that's the tactic. I'm gonna put a little bit of bait, but we're probably gonna take it out with a boat because otherwise I can't get it out. It's still too windy, and in this weather condition I can't cast 29 reps. So yeah, I have to borrow Istvan boat again, and he's kind enough to give it to me. So yeah, that's the plan. We're gonna send it out 29 reps because the fish is showing that area. So the fish is showing, oh, they just had a fish over there in the corner. Yeah. So the fish is all showing in a corner area. Front of 18, 19, 20 and 21. Yeah, all around here. The max I can go out is 29 reps. So we're gonna use that. Hopefully gonna produce a fish or 2. Yeah, that's all I can do at the moment. Let's get the rods out. and then it was my turn to get the rods out. The fish were showing well beyond my area. Casting long range just wasn't the option this time because of the crosswind. The only option was the bait boat. Thanks to Istvan and his bait boat, we were able to take my hook bait to the maximum distance allowed in my swim. Now we are all set for the carps. Let's not forget about Richard, who fished from peg 8 and caught the only fish from the bottom end of the lake. Later on Saturday, he decided to move another swim, where he also managed to catch a catfish in the early hours of Sunday. Well done, Richard. Oh, good morning, guys. That was a really uneventful night again. Nothing happened. Wind is horrible, and we have to pack up in this weather. I can't believe it. I just had a run on a middle rod and I lost it. I don't know how. It just, maybe it was a, didn't hook it properly, that's it. And it was really far out. So yeah, another lost, 2 lost now. This is a curse here. It's always something here. We can't get a proper fish in here, never. Well, never mind. So yeah, 2 fish lost now. It's time to pack up soon. Maybe we got 1 hour left. But in this wind, it's gonna be a really funny one, because I probably have to ask neighbor to help me hold my BB down while I'm unpegging and everything. Because it's just gonna, you will see, it is gonna be horrible. Catch you in a bit. Thanks for the help, guys.
Okay, big fish and. Okay. Is that who's got PB? Everyone, yeah, in here. Okay, perfect.
Alright, guys, first of all, thanks for everybody for coming for this one.
Most fish caught, that was you. Congratulations.
Well done.
And biggest fish caught.
There's some money for him.
Biggest fish. Well done. Okay. Second was you. Congratulations.
Thank you. Cheers, thank you.
And the third was you. Okay.
What about this way?
Oh, who's got the noddy?
Who's got the Oh, the rod wipe?
Oh, for fuck's sake. Yeah.
Oh yeah, breaking his ball.
Okay, thank you. At least I won something. Okay. Are we all ready?
Wait.
Oh, good, thanks.
Where's the wind fly?
You've got Rich one in the back to do us around the end.
Are we all ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3, 1. Hey!
There's more.
Hey! Well done, guys. Woohoo! I won something as well.
That was fucking legendary. Thanks, Chris.
That was awesome. Ah, yes.
Was that yours?
Yes.
You're winning twice.
Yeah.
Thank you very much to everybody who came to this event. I hope everybody enjoyed himself and made new friends. We are really excited about the next social event. If you are interested in coming to one of our social events, please feel free to reach out to us on any social platform.
There's nothing.
Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye now.